Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn on ray tracing on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. If you go here to the right, you're gonna find your game library. Right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and right here you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now in order to turn on ray tracing in the PlayStation 5 and see all of your display settings, go ahead and click on settings. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your settings, accessibility, networks, users and accounts, and so on. Go ahead and search for screen and video. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find video output, screen, BD and DVD. So right now, go ahead and click on video output. And then here you're gonna find all of the options related to video on your device. So right here, you're gonna find video output information. Here under it, you're gonna find resolution and frequency. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find color. So right now, and here under resolution and frequency, you can change all of these settings. Here you can change your resolution. Here you can test 1440p output. Here you can turn on or turn off VRR. This will allow refresh rate to adjust in real time while using TVs and games that support VRR. Right here, as you can see guys, you can also turn on or disable or enable 120 Hz output. And here you're gonna find ALLM. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.